I traveled a lot. Even recently, I visited many Chinese cities from Beijing, Guangzhou, Hangzhou, and so on. I saw the high-speed train. I saw many skyscraper buildings. The Chinese economy is growing a lot. There are many reasons for this economic growth. The Chinese government is investing a lot, and there is a high opening up. The connections between China and other countries across the globe is positive and smooth. The trade, the investment, the financial flow is very smooth. China is now working a lot in bringing quality in different products, in different aspects. I personally witness China is investing a lot to bring quality development, not only for its own citizens, even for the global community. If you see the streets of Addis Ababa, many people drive Chinese vehicles, Chinese electric vehicles. Now the Chinese goods, the Chinese products are dominating because you put lots of effort to bring quality.